Today, we will learn how to draw realistic face of Hanumanji sculpture. For forehead, first we add light layer of blue color, then blend it with white color. Now for face, first we add light layer of light pink color, then second layer of white color without applying any pressure. For shadow between eye and eyebrows, we will add layer of brown color, then we add layer of darker shade of pink according to the reference image. For depth of the face, we will use violet color to add more depth to the face. Then we blend it out with white color pencil. Use darker shade of brown used before to add shadow, and same with violet color. Now again blend them out with white pencil. And for highlights, use white color pencil with pressure. And for lips, use red color, and in dark areas use dark brown color. For eyes, use black and white color according to reference picture. Now for beard portion, first add the light brown color layer, then second layer of dark brown, and for shadow use black color. Then blend them out with brown color by applying pressure. For bindi portion, use red color, and for highlights use white color. Now use the white gel pen for brightest highlights of the face. Here's the final result. Full drawing video will be out on next Sunday.